Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily upload your profile picture on TikTok. So let's go. We are going to click on TikTok. Then you are going to click on me in the right down corner and you will see it right here. Yellow jacket, you have picture here, or click on edit profile and profile photo, click on it, select from gallery, it's okay. I have myself here. Okay, confirm, done. And voila, you got it. So this is how you can also change your profile video, and yours is going to change it by clicking on it. And we can take a photo of my floor, make a photo. Voila, okay. Done. And you can do it also this way. So that's kind of it. Let's go back, quit, and this kind of, you can change it. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.